It was very much a building which belonged to a particular time, belonged to its place, but also, most of all, I think it belongs to my heart.
50 sena ilu, il-Knisja tal-Manikata fuq disin tal-Professur Richard England saret parroċċa u għal dik l-okkażjoni artisti minn Edinburgh ġew hemmhekk jesploraw is-sit. Illum 4 artisti ġodda qegħdin jiltaqgħu fuq il-post f'konverzazzjoni miegħu u xogħolhom ser ikun qed jintwera f'wirja ġewwa l-Malta Society of Arts li għaddejja bħalissa. Ħanitkellmu ma' Andrew Borg, il-kuratur tal-wirja, u mal-Profs Richard England ukoll.
Silence Within Abundant Birdsong is the first exhibition by the Archbishop's Delegate for Culture, where we're investigating the significance and importance of the Manikata Parish Church of St. Joseph on its 50th anniversary. We have invited 4 contemporary artists, Austin Camilleri, Agius, Julian Vassallo and Laetitia Troisi de Menville, to interpret, react and create prospective conversations about what the church has come to mean and what the church will continue to be going forward.
The importance in terms of the creation of a sacred building was to try and create, as opposed to the Baroque haunted structures of Malta, first of all, a building which adhered to the hillside. It was almost a continuation in terms of form of the hill itself, but more so it had to be a church where the congregation was not a series of spectators but participants. Hence the form of the church, which is almost 2 embracing arms coming together, where the celebrant and the congregation were almost put together in a form of a conversation, as a form, instead of the celebrant speaking down to the people, but he was speaking with the people.
It was important for us to also publish a catalogue which continues to open the conversations of these artworks, for which we're working with a number of writers, including Profs Joe Friggeri, Profs Maria Frendo, Elise Donna, Ella Florisola, Anthony Bonnici and architectural theorist Chris Abel.